The market theme cautious prevails after fresh U.S. military strikes in southern Iran clouded hopes of an immediate peace deal, reigniting fears of supply disruptions in the Middle East. The all watch the renewed geopolitical tensions pushed crude oil prices sharply higher, $94 a barrel, raising concerns over sticky inflation, rising input costs, and a weaker global economic outlook. Our call of the day: Nifty shall waver as investor sentiment weakened amid signs of a setback in US-Iran negotiations. The other two big headlines. 1. Sharp currency weakness, with the rupee sliding to 96.02 against the US dollar, stoking fears of imported inflation and higher input costs. 2. Persistent foreign institutional investor, FII, selling. Bottom line, Nifty may waver a bit with negative bias, but confirmation of strength only if oil prices cools off. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 2408 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1361 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still suggesting some massive rebound play. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 16.13 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, had slipped near 96.02 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.99. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.75. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.12. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver a bit, confirmation of strength only if WTI oil slips below $89 a barrel. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,914. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,775 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,157 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,700 and 24,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76,010. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,600 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,400 to 76,400. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55,093. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,451 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,500 and 55,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Here is a gentle reminder: trading activity on Dalal Street will remain closed on Thursday, 28 May 2026, as both the NSE and BSE will remain closed on account of Bakrid, also known as Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Zuha. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 FY26 results watch Wednesday, 27 May 2026. Gillette India, Cummins India, Gabriel India, Bata India, Isjek Heavy Engineering, Hikal, TVS Sri Chakra.